This is the DIY Mixer II Euro-Rack module from Eirca Synths. Included in the kit you will find a good length power connection cable, a bag containing potentiometers and jack sockets, another bag containing the resistors, capacitors and all the other parts necessary for the build, the main panel, which is solid and really nicely designed, and one PCB where you place all of your components. And now onto the build. And as usual, before I build, I make sure I have all the complete parts and the values are correct on the resistors, capacitors, etc. And now onto the build. The build process for the mixer was actually quite simple. Once the main components are soldered, the potentiometers and jack sockets are placed but not soldered onto the board. Then the panel can be put in place and then the soldering for those components can be done. This ensures a nice fit for the potentiometers and jacks. Lastly, the IC can be placed into its socket and then the knobs can be fitted to the potentiometers. And there you have your completed module. Overall, this build went extremely well. The part count is quite low and the quality is excellent. Thanks for watching.